This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include power adjustable driver pedals, an off-road package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, skid plates, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a keyless entry system, and Sirius satellite radio. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.